got going on. There's the entrance to the park over there. We're gonna go this way to camp. We're pulling off so we can get an order for the camp spots. There's Arius. Alpha. And there's David. How was the trip? Everything make it all right?
Everything made it all right.
Everything looks like it made it.
Everything worked.
Let's go see how Roach is doing. Roach, you make the trip all right? How was it? He made it. He made it. I gotta see these ramps. These things are something else. What is that? Clever though. I like it. Let's see if the police get us. Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Aries and America no more.
How you guys doing?
Doing good.
Enjoying this stuff so far?
We actually just got here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so we came to check out the vendors.
Yeah?
We just...
Where are you guys from?
We're from Wichita, Kansas.
Wichita?
Yeah. How's he walking?
Well, here he comes. Olivia, watch out. You scared him. That's crazy. Watch the customers. Accidentally forgot to film while we were at the vendors, but we're out here making dinner. Rafa, what's this stuff called? Fajitas.
3 stars.
I don't know what we're cooking. I'm just out here Chef Boyardee.
Not even ours.
Yeah, it ain't even mine, but I'm out here making money. Look at this. Now that's an onion slice. Quick fix and we'll be back out there on the dunes. all on the back bead? We need to get sand all off my bead though. Otherwise it's gonna be flat like yours in the morning.
Just have to take it to that one place in the morning.
It might seep with just air. You got it, your air. If they would have made a 10-inch wheel, I would have got one. They don't make a 10-inch wheel in this design.
You gotta push this.
Might as well get it for him.
Close your eyes.
You gotta go all around.
Yeah.
Someone's gonna have to help hold the tire.
Courtney.
We have to do it fast.
Come here.
So the dry out.
Here's a lighter.
I know, just like go around and a line right here and then light it right here. Boom. Do the light.
Well, we gotta push my tire in, right?
Yep.
We need better light. Guess you gotta we'll just go where you can.
Yeah.
Get up in there. Way more.
There. Ready? Make a line.
Fill it. Fill it. Jerry K, did you get the pot on fire? Does that not turn on?
Keep going. It's on the bead though.
Press the button. Oh.
The right side's not.
Yeah, it's on. Try it. It's on. That worked. But it didn't.
Hey, look. It burnt my beard.
Did it really? It did.
Oh my god.
It didn't go up that damn high.
Look.
Josh, try it again.
I ain't gonna try it.
Did you get in there like when the fire was?
Well, I was right here. Lit it.
We need a longer trail. Well,
Is
it
it bad?
won't go onto the sand. Here, I'm gonna get push the bottom.
Ready.
Oh, get on it! Go! Go, 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 go! Hit the button!
Oh.
That thing's going. We gotta get different.
Which is good.
That bitch have a longer hose? Yeah, but you know, if you don't broke now, then you don't care, it's sandy. That's perfect. You can just leave it
fire
in.
goes out a lot quicker. You just kick the.
That's what those guys had. So. Ready to try again?
Yep.
Good.
Yeah.
Alright.
I know, I'm like, I flew oh my god.
Oh, it ain't gonna work. Having it winched up, blew the other tire off the bead, and it's pretty well off of there, so we're gonna have to do a double fix on this, get back to camp and have everything rebeaded and resealed and see what we can do for tomorrow. You want to hear about some live action? You got two vehicles trying to pull little old me. So far it ain't working too good, but we're out here trying to make it work. Got to get back to camp because I threw my belt out. Looks like we're up a doo-doo creek with no paddles, boys. We'll get her figured out though, don't you worry a thing. It is now 1:40 in the morning. Just got back to camp getting everything fixed up. Should be ready to rip tomorrow. We're going to change the belt in the general in the morning because it might be a little rough. Just got the belt fixed in the Can-Am and got the old tires back on. We're going to get the paddles rebeaded in the morning as well, but good old roadside assistance tires there.